Hello there, this is Merit Trainboy here, and I was wondering if the connector on your Trackmaster train that has its tender attached to it is broken and your youngster won't play with it. Well, don't worry, this is an easy fix that is dedicated by me, and here I will show you how to change the connector on your Trackmaster engine with the tender attached to it. First, you'll have to get some of this one, and this is another connector that you would find like that one, only this one is a replacement one, and you can find this on Amazon or on eBay. So that way, in case if yours on the engine is broken, especially if the material is made poorly. And soon I will show you how. Alright, first you're gonna have to remove these 3 screws, 2 on the engine and 1 on the tender, which are holding the connector between the two. So that way you can get this part off while you're replacing it. Make sure you unscrew this one as well. Alright? And make sure you don't lose the screws. And once you're done unscrewing, you'll be able to lift off this part of the engine and this bottom front of the tender. That way you'll be able to fix and replace this part. But since of course it's broken, you'll need a pair of scissors to cut it off. So you'll be able to use this one to replace it. Alright, as you can see here, I cut off the broken connector by using a pair of little scissors. So that way I will demonstrate how to put on the newer one right here. So all you have to do is just take these 2 off, just like this. And I'll show you how to put them on the engine. So first things first, you have to take this part, which is part of the connector, and as you can see there's 2 gaps on each side, and all you do, you put one of them on the wires, each of them on the wires, and then you have to put on one of the holes on one of the sides onto the slots, so that way they could fit in it well. And once you do that, you take this other part of the connector and put it on top of it, and make sure that part goes in first if you were planning to do it this way. And then once that's done, do it on the other side on the engine. Once it's snapped in, it's time to screw it. It's time to put the engine back together. So there you have it. A brand new connector which is on your Trackmaster tender engine with the tender attached to the engine. And here you see that connector that's been replaced, the old one, won't be going anywhere. Hopefully that this video will help you in case of your engine had that same problem. So this is Trainboy signing off. Goodbye.